In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Gmail to Facebook step by step so you can connect your email to your account quickly and correctly. This is useful if you want to make your Facebook account easier to recover, improve account security, or simply keep your contact information up to date. I'll walk you through every part of the process in a simple way, so even if this is your first time doing it, you can follow along without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to facebook.com. Then sign in to your Facebook account using your email or phone number and password. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This will open a menu with several account options. From there, go to Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. This is where Facebook keeps many of the important options for your account, privacy, and security, so take your time and follow each step carefully. Inside the Settings area, look for Account Center. Click on Account Center because this is where Facebook groups together your account details across meta services. After that, select Personal Details. On the next screen, choose Contact Info. This section is where you can manage the email addresses and phone numbers connected to your account. Now click Add New Contact and then choose Add Email Address. A box will appear where you can enter the Gmail address you want to add. Type it in carefully and double-check for any mistakes, because Facebook will send a verification email to the exact address you enter. Even a small typo can stop the process from working, so make sure your Gmail address is correct before you continue. Once you've entered your Gmail, click Next. Facebook may ask you to enter your password again to confirm it's really you making the change. This is a normal security step, and it helps protect your account from unauthorized updates. If prompted, type your Facebook password and continue. After that, Facebook will send a confirmation message or verification code to your Gmail inbox. Open a new tab and go to mail.google.com, then sign into your Gmail account if needed. Check your inbox for the verification email from Facebook. If you don't see it right away, look in your spam or promotions folders just in case it was filtered there. Open the message and find the verification code or confirmation link. If Facebook asks you to enter a code, copy it carefully and paste it back into the Facebook verification box. If it gives you a confirmation button, click it to finish the process. Once the code is entered or the link is confirmed, your Gmail address will be added to your Facebook account. You may also see it listed under your contact information as a connected email address. At this point, it's a good idea to make sure everything's saved properly by going back into your contact info section and checking that the Gmail address appears there. If you want, you can also make this your primary contact email depending on the options Facebook gives you. That can make future account recovery and notifications even easier. And that's it. You successfully added Gmail to Facebook. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference when it comes to keeping your account organized and secure. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.